In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Apple Cash transaction history. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So the question is, can you delete Apple Pay transactions? Here is what you know. You can't delete Apple Pay transactions, but you can remove the associated card. Tap on the card in the wallet, then tap card details, then after that tap remove card. The card will no longer be linked to your wallet and the transaction list will be gone. So let's go deeper on how to delete transactions on Apple Pay. You cannot delete your Apple Pay transaction history. Whether you use a card or Apple Cash, your transactions are there the long haul. The only way to remove it is to delete the card altogether. Now, the first step you can do is to go in your wallet app, as you can see, then select the card you want to delete, as you can see here. And the next step is to go ahead, click on more icon at the top right, as you can see, then tap the card details, then after that tap remove card, that's located at the bottom, then tap remove to confirm. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.